tool.
Hi, and welcome to Cursive Writing for Lefties. Today we're going to do cursive letter T, upper and lower case. So let's get ready. Lefties, tilt your paper. Tilt your paper. Make sure you're holding your pencil between the first 3 fingers and let the other 2 stay on the paper. Okay? Now, there are my slant lines. I draw those all the time, every time we start, in order to help me to remember to slant my letters. Okay? So, doing capital cursive T. Start maybe a little bit above the dotted blue line. You want to slant up to the top blue line, curve down, and come back. Okay? Leave a little bit of space. Don't trace it all the way. Leave a little bit of space there. It helps to make the letter more cohesive to the other letters. You'll understand more about that when we start writing, when we start connecting letters. Okay? So cursive capital T again. Start a little bit above the dotted blue line, slant up to the blue line, curve down to the red line, come up, and that's the T. Let's continue to make them. If you know it already, if you understand, just keep going. If you don't understand, I'm going to go slow. Okay? Everybody has a different learning style. They learn different ways. Some people are hands-on. Some people are really, really fast. Some people are slower. It doesn't mean that you're not going to learn it. It just means you learn differently. Okay? So, let's start slant up to the blue line. Come down and curve. Make a big curve at that red line. Come back around. And that's it. Cursive letter T. Do it again. Start right above that blue line. Dotted blue line, that is. All right. Do it again. Start at the dotted blue line, right above it. Slant up to that blue, solid blue line. Curve down. Come up. All right, let's do it again. Go up to the blue line, slant up. Come down. All right. You see how it's slanting more? The more practice that I give it, the more it has a slant. Slant up to the right. Come down, slanting to the curve, to the red line. For me, they're looking better and better. Yours will too, the more you do it. All right, if you need to stop the video and replay it, do so at this time. If not, keep it going. And we're going to start our lowercase t's. Okay, lowercase t. Those are my 3 slant lines to help me to remember to slant. All right, we start with lowercase t at the red line. You slant up midway or closer to the blue line, but not quite to the blue line. Trace down a little bit below the dotted blue line, curve out at the red line, cross your T at the middle blue dotted line. Okay, that's cursive lowercase t. Okay. Slant up. Stop before you get to the blue line. Trace back down a little bit. Curve at the red line. Make your tail. And then cross your T. Start at the red line. Slant up. Not quite to the blue line. Come back down. Trace it a little bit below the dotted blue line. Come down to the red line. Make your tail. Slant up to the blue line. Come down. Curve at the red line. Cross your T. Slant up. Come down. Curve at the red line. Cross your T. Do it again. Slant up. Trace back down. Curve at the bottom red line. Cross your T. Do it again. Start at the red line. Slant up. Stop before you get to the blue line. Trace back down. Separate when you get around the dotted blue line. Cross your T. Slant up. Stop before you get to the blue line. Come back down. Curve at the red line. Cross your T. Okay, so this letter is pretty easy. Okay, not so bad. You just have to know how to slant. That's why I keep telling you, make sure you slant, because the more you slant your letters, the more you slant your letters, the better they'll look. Because they'll all be slanting in the same direction. So go on ahead and practice your capital cursive T's and your lowercase t's. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.